Good afternoon, everybody. 1:52 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date 3/24 of 2019. We're featuring one of our biggest trades that we've had, and this is on a biotech stock again, BIIB, Biogen. They've been around forever. Down another $10. What I can say is the following: is that we're down here, broke everything down. I mean, there was not the greatest news on it. At some point, we will trade it to go up and back up in value, but right now, the technical damage is horrendous. When we take a look at the weekly chart, you can see that you got to go clear back here to 2013, where Biogen in 2014 and we got up here and had another big problem and down here. This is why these biotech stocks are great. If you wanted to make a 500% return, what was wrong with you being here with us? What was wrong why you weren't? What is it that we could do for you? We could have put you in the put options and and made more money than you probably have ever made on a trade. I'm sure of that and whatnot. So we're down here to critical weekly support levels and whatnot. It's a tremendously broken stock. This downtrend will stay this way until there's other news about the Alzheimer's drug and a lot of other things that is going to be a hangover for quite a few months. And there's still more downside to it. I mean, when you start getting down here, there's another $50 move down here below this support level right there. And that's going to come over here. And remember, this is a weekly chart. This is not a daily. I already showed the daily. But now let me show you what you really want to know and why it would be great for you to be part of our trading community. Before I do that, if you could see this weekly bar, that stock was $336 and it hit the lows on Friday at $216 right here. Do the math. Do the math. That was a $120 drop in Biogen. Now let me show you how great these put options were and how great the profits were. This is the $330 puts that were up here at $112. And as of Friday close, guess what? They're $10. That there, this one move, whether it was that strike price, we trade this every single day anyway. The 320s were another big one. You can see where the 320 went from 102 down to $6.30 on this put chart. Going down to the $310 puts where we have been buying a lot of put options and shorting this damn thing. Hey, they were $92. They went to $3.80. When you get down below the market, we were buying then too as well because down here it was cheap. And, they were $82 and they hit $1.92. That's how much of the gain that you would have had if you would have been here. And you would have been here. We trade biotech every day. We trade those stocks every day. And we keep up with our fundamentals on them. Here's another great one. Just let me show you that this was a $290 put at the time that you could have got in very easily. And that put option was $71. Oh yeah, it went from $1.25 up here to 71.80. Oh yes, and we're still short. And we were going to continue to do this, what we've always done. We've been trading this stock since the 1990s. Here's a $280 put that we love buying below the market. It was 61.20. You want to know what the low was? 75 cents. You could have got in even on the first move down, could have gone right in there right away, bought the 280 puts for $1, and then you would be in retirement phase. This is the reality. This is trading the news. This is why it pays to stay with the biotech, rather good or bad news. And we will continue to go lower and we will continue to make more money on the put side uh, Biogen